Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to attempt to transform into Nicola Coughlan, also known as Penelope Featherington from Bridgerton. If you want to watch this transformation, keep on watching. I've been debating whether or not to upload this video for a couple of reasons. First, you'll see the final result at the end of the video, and let's just say it didn't exactly go as planned. And second, a lot of the footage turned out blurry. I used a sparkly backdrop, and with the air conditioner still running, I forgot to turn off the fan. Every time the backdrop moved, it threw off the focus. But hey, I figured why not? Let's roll with it and upload the video anyway. I do apologize if the blurring bothers you, but I still hope you'll enjoy watching the transformation. I've sped up the video and paired it with some Bridgerton-inspired music, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this transformation. I don't know how I feel about the results though. This was very difficult for me to achieve, even though the resemblance is not actually there, I think. I don't know, leave it in the comments below, tell me what you think. From my perspective, it doesn't seem like it's really there. Nicola has her facial features are quite different than mine, so but I tried, I gave it my best, so that's the most important thing. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing because it would help me a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.